Hi, in this video, I shall be showing you how to draw a customized map for any purpose. You may be asked by your boss to draw a map showing all the offices of the company on the map. Python external module Folium comes to our rescue here. Import the Folium module. You can install it for Windows using pip command. The map command of Folium module will generate the World Street View map. You need to save it as HTML file. I save it as map.html file. The file will be saved in the root directory of working Python file. Open the map file in the browser. You can see the world map. The map is though in fragments. It is because of the zoom level. In the next step, I will set an initial zoom level for a better view of the map. Firstly, I need to provide coordinates for a location. Then use zoom start level at 3 to zoom in the map. Open the map file again. Refresh the browser to load the latest file. It is much better now. You can see different continents of the world. My task is to draw my office locations near Eiffel Tower in Paris. Firstly, I need to know the coordinates of Eiffel Tower. I can get easily using Google Maps. Click anywhere near the tower and copy the coordinates. Replace the coordinates of location with the new ones. Also change the zoom level to 15. Save the file. Switch to HTML file. Refresh it. You can see the street view near the Eiffel Tower. Optionally, to mark the central place, which is Eiffel Tower, I can draw a circle on the map. It is very easy using circle marker command. I would copy the same list of coordinates, which are basically coordinates of the Eiffel Tower. Then, need to define the radius of the circle. Let's make it 50. I need to add this marker to my original map using add to command. Let's refresh the page again. A nice circle is drawn around the tower. I will make first marker to show our company office. I randomly select any place near the Eiffel Tower to get its coordinates. Under location, paste the copied coordinates of the office. I am using pop-up command to supply some additional information about the marker. I have mentioned the name of office as A. You may supply other information like address, telephone number as well. Add the marker to the map and run the code. Refresh the page. The marker is shown at the place chosen for our office branch. Click the icon to display pop-up message. It displays our branch office information. To save time, I have pasted a portion of the code. It is not an ideal way to enter the same command again and again to enter marker for our office. Rather, I will use for loop to iterate through the required data. I have broken down coordinates into list of longitude and latitude. The pop-up variable denotes the list of 4 offices' names. I, J, and K will iterate through zip lists, longitude, latitude, and pop-up. For each iteration, the corresponding values will be entered to calculate the markers on the map. I and J will be placed for coordinates under location. Pop-up will populate the relevant data. Add to map. Save to HTML file and run the code. Refresh the web page. Our 4 office locations are nicely marked on the map. You may use Pandas data frame if you are using Excel or CSV as your data file. Happy coding!